Ladies and gentlemen, as I told you, now format is different. It will be Viking and witches in the chateau. So now, today I will introduce you our forewoman, Anais, who is just here. She is specialized on directing men on site. So she will visit, she will see what will have to be done next days and how we do it. Let's go.
Ah, il est là. Tiens, il est en bas là.
Ah oui, je peut-être pas.
Ah, je l'entends.
Il est là là.
Кис, иди сюда.
Ah oui, oh putain la vache.
Подожди, подожди, подожди.
Ah, le pauvre.
So here apparently we have a little kitten that is hiding somewhere. So I tried to make Babur find him. For sure, I put the muzzle on so he doesn't eat it, but I can't find. We just saw him and he ran away somewhere. I will put a little, I don't know, piece of food somewhere. I'll go and buy something what kittens like. And maybe a camera to see if something happens. Well, actually, I will probably point this camera that is in somewhere on a place where it can be, but it can be everywhere. And Babur, he doesn't care completely about cats, so he never watches any. That's why I think it's useless. But just now we know that there is probably a kitten inside. So now I will have to finish something at the garage. I will have to move the, you know, the blue vehicle that is there. I need to move it here. Okay, so I have oil, I think I have everything. Let's try to start. So now in Pannard I'm continuing doing structural. Here we are still on the same lintel. I have like 3-4 more to do that I will do as soon as I can. But today I would like to finish this. It will be really cool. I have lime, I have sand, I have fiber, so I think it will be good. Let's just do it. This time I will use smaller buckets maybe to put everything up. For one measure of this, I have to put 2.5 measures of sand. ladies and gentlemen, so it's done. Now I have to surface it here, but it's already steady, it's stable. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to paint this wall using traditional technique. Traditional technique is lime. So to make lime paint, I use something called iron lime. It's different from the lime that we have in Pannard. This one is very light and I have to mix it with water. Let's see how. Well, apparently I just have to mix. Let me just check. Yeah, I have to mix 1 measure of lime with 2 measures of water, and then just I have to put it here. And let's see what will be the final result. Ladies and gentlemen, now back to the garage. I have to finish the wall that I painted using lime, and I need to do some final touches. So I got this, I don't know, how do you call it? Paint sprayer. Yeah, paint sprayer. So I got this paint sprayer. I made a test on the wall just with water, and then I will paint using lime. So it's quite, you see? Quite smooth, so I want to do final touches in the places where I cannot get with brush. I will try. Paint is very thin, like very thin, but it doesn't matter because it's really it goes well. And the last part that I have to do is here in the corner, so I just have some left. I will do it, then I will clean it, then I move the scaffolding here. I will do the wooden parts that were hidden like this, and it's done. Okay, that's done. Now I will clean this. I will get some brush and wood oil or wood paint, what I got. And that's all. I don't have any idea how it will be. Let's try to see. Makes them quite nice. I wanted to keep these old beams wooden color as they are. For sure they are not in good state, well, not in good state. They're still okay, but I love how they look. I want to make it dry a little bit, so I want to see the surface, because I have an impression that this old oak is so dense that this product doesn't penetrate inside. But let's wait and see. So we wait for some minutes, and we saw that the bean drinks this kind of liquid, and finally it becomes like satin, like it's here. So it's quite nice. That's why I will put, without any doubt, on the second one, and we will leave them. So here I will just have to finish the bottom of the wall. So first I will probably just clean up everything, remove the scaffolding, finish the bottom part of the wall, and then continue. So you will see probably next time the result, but now I do this to make it nice as I can. Well, that's all. Now to wait, to clean up. And please like, subscribe to this channel. See you soon, and thank you for your support.
Je t'ai vu, t'étais très belle, tout brillait autour de toi. Je t'ai lancé des mots rebelles, t'es resté sans dire pourquoi. Le ciel grognait sans orage, mais la pluie tombait de loin. Anaïs, ma douce flamme, corde tendue dans mon cœur. Anaïs, sans rêve, sans drame, ni l'épouse, ni la sœur. Anaïs, douceur étrange, quand tu penses tout s'en va. Hey!